I was walking in my subdivision and I saw a few muscadine vines. And you will hardly ever see this here in Houston. I live in Summerwood Subdivision. You will hardly ever see muscadine vines, but I noticed that it was a few of them around here in Summerwood. I guess Summerwood is a very wooded area, and a lot of people probably wouldn't know what I'm talking about when I say muscadines. They look like grapes. Some people call them muscadine grapes, but they were all over the place. It wasn't a lot of muscadines on the vine like it is there in Jasper, Texas, where I'm from. When I grew up, it was thousands and thousands of muscadine vines, and that's what we used to eat all the time. But I haven't eaten a muscadine probably in 10-15 years. So this is mid-July, and you notice that they're green. So probably in September, middle of September, they'll be totally black and ready to eat. So I'm gonna walk here in the back and see if I can see any more. And I see the vines here, but there's no muscadines on the vine. Like anything, if you don't use it, you lose it. So nobody picked these muscadines, so eventually they probably stop growing or they get smaller. I noticed that these muscadines here in Houston, they're really small compared to the ones that we used to pick when I was a little boy. So I'm gonna give you a view of what this one looked like. I pulled it off the tree. So this is a green one. You notice that it's smaller, and it's a little hard. Like I said, it's mid-July, and they'll be ready in probably middle of September or beginning of September. I showed it to my son. He didn't know what it was. You know, he was born and raised here in the city, so he wouldn't have an idea or a clue of what this thing is. So this is what a muscadine looked like. All right, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.